So guys, magpalit tayo ng power steering pump. And the thing before, we're gonna check the power steering pump. This is the fuse for power steering pump, and seems to be good. No? Buo sila. Kita nyo. There is power along the way. So the fuses here are good. As you can see, everything works. So everything good. Then this is the relay here. We're gonna test the relay as well. So guys, we're gonna test the relay. This is the relay. So we have to set it into 5 pins. 5 pins, since this is 5 pins. As you can see, 5 pins. And then we're gonna drop it down here. Test. So it's having the light, so that is good. Okay. So again, so this is good. Okay. Good relay. Let us put it from here. So now we're gonna put it back. Back here. This is good one. Okay. Okay. So guys, since magpapalit tayo ng pump, this is electric steering pump. So I'm dealing with electric before to do anything, because we're gonna check the fuse and relays, and they are all okay. And now we're gonna disconnect the battery here, since we have to commence the work on replacing the power steering pump. So na-disconnect na natin yung baterya guys, and then to completely isolate the connect terminal, we put some kind of cloth or stupa, whatever method, just to be safe, because this is electrical power steering, so we need to avoid such circuit here. So circuit on the items that may complicate everything. So yeah, before doing electrical, disconnect the battery. So before to proceed, our plan here is we're gonna remove first this bolt here. This is the real challenge here, this one here. This is the steering pump pipe, and then disconnect this one. We will try not to remove this reservoir tank for the steering fluid. So just removing here 4 bolts and then the electrical parts on top. So ito yung development natin guys. So naglagay muna tayo ng clamp here, yung vice grip natin, ginawa natin clamp para hindi maubusan tayo dito ng steering fluid, no? Stopper ito. So and then meron siyang, ito yung kanyang galing sa dito, ito yung kanyang hose pipe, like from the reservoir, and then this pipe here is for the delivery going to the steering pump, no? And then yeah, so before you can remove the whole thing, you have to remove this union nut from the top on the steering pump. And this is the motor now. We're going to take it out. So for to avoid the confusion, we have the numbers here. Like accordingly, we have to put the numbers so we won't mess up with the connections, no? On the motor pump, steering pump, electric steering pump. So put here number 1, 2, 3, and the corresponding number there. So we put the same to this. So it's number 1, number 2, number 3. So we need to, like, when we install a new one, it should be the same. And all the wirings has to be on the order position. Like so here we're gonna use 17mm socket, deep socket, to remove those nut on the steering pump, power steering pump connector. So things like this, guys, need to be clever. And to be clever is to have, you have the markings, so you won't forget on the wirings or terminals to put orderly manner. We're gonna remove the this wiring here. Okay, and that's it. That's done. And there are 2 wirings also here attached to it. I'm gonna put down the steering pump motor. So that's how you remove the power steering pump, guys, on a double decker bus. Okay, turbo engine.